Hey there, future YouTube moguls. Welcome back to our channel, the #1 spot for all things YouTube and AI. Today, I've got something insane for you. We're going to talk about the crazy hack of making money with a faceless YouTube channel using AI. Yes, you heard it right. This is the lazy way to YouTube success, and it's absolutely unbeatable. So if you're a beginner looking to make money with AI, you're in the right place. Let's dive in. Let's dive into the first example of a faceless YouTube channel that's absolutely crushing it. I'm talking about soothing relaxation. Look at this, folks. This channel is all about relaxation music, and they're killing it. They've got over 10 million subscribers, and their videos have millions of views. Check this out. Beautiful, relaxing music with a flute, cello, guitar, and piano. It's got almost 7 million views. Can you imagine the kind of ad revenue they're pulling in? It's insane. Now, I can't show you the exact figures, but channels with this level of views can easily make thousands of dollars per month from ad revenue alone. And that's not even counting potential income from sponsorships, merchandise, or other revenue streams. You don't even need to show your face. You just need to find a niche you're passionate about, create high-quality content, and let the YouTube algorithm do its thing. Success stories. First off, let's talk about some success stories. You won't believe how many people are making a whopping $1,000 plus per day running YouTube cash cow channels. Yes, $1,000 per day. Isn't that insane? Let's take a look at some examples. Now, let's take a look at their estimated earnings. Whoa, look at these numbers, folks. Can you believe it? This is just an estimate, but even so, the potential earnings here are mind-blowing. This is the power of a faceless YouTube channel. You don't need to be a celebrity. You don't need to have millions of followers on Instagram. You just need to find a niche you're passionate about, create high-quality content, and the earnings can be insane. And remember, this is just from ad revenue. There's also potential income from sponsorships, merchandise, or other revenue streams. Identifying the niche. Now let's talk about the crucial step of choosing the right niche. This is where tools like Google Trends and exploding topics come in handy. These tools help us identify profitable niches for our faceless YouTube channel. For instance, let's take the How to Make Money with AI niche as an example. See how these tools provide us with valuable insights about the niche? They show us the potential earning, competition level, and even suggest keywords we can target. This is the kind of information that can set us up for success right from the start. Alright, that's it for this part of the video. Stay tuned for the next part where we'll dive into how to set up your ChatGPT account and how we can use WebPilot to help us identify niches. Remember, this is just the beginning of our journey to making money with a faceless YouTube channel using AI. So don't go anywhere. Before you go, don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful, and subscribe to our channel for more unbeatable YouTube and AI content. Alright, let's dive right into the next part of our video. Remember, we're about to uncover some crazy hacks and the lazy way to make money with AI. So let's get started. Alright folks, let's talk about something insane, something that's going to blow your mind. Have you ever heard of ChatGPT? No? Well, let me introduce you to your new best friend. ChatGPT is an AI developed by OpenAI. It's a language model that uses machine learning to generate human-like text. It's like having a conversation with a super intelligent AI. And guess what? This AI is going to be our secret weapon in creating content for our faceless YouTube channel. Now you might be wondering, how do I get my hands on this AI? Well, it's simple. You just need to make an account on ChatGPT. Here's how you do it. 1. Go to chat.openai.com. 2. Click on Sign Up. 3. Fill in your details. 4. Verify your email. 5. And boom, you're in. Now let's move on to the next crazy hack. Identifying the right topic. Remember, choosing the right topic is like finding the perfect wave for surfing. You need the right one to ride all the way to the bank. And guess what? We have a tool for that too. It's called WebPilot. WebPilot is a plugin that works with ChatGPT. It's like a co-pilot for the web. It helps you extract specific information from web pages, summarize content, translate text, and a ton of other stuff. It's a free, open-source tool that's going to make our niche identification process a breeze. First, we need to install the WebPilot plugin. Make sure plugins are enabled in your ChatGPT account. Go to the plugin store in ChatGPT. Find WebPilot and click on Install. Make sure the plugin is enabled when you want to interact with it. Alright folks, now we're going to dive into a crazy hack that's going to help us identify long-tail keywords using WebPilot. This is the lazy way, guys, but it's also an unbeatable way to find those golden keywords. First, we're going to go to google.com and type in our search query. So for example, if our keyword is artificial intelligence, our search query would look like this. Site.quora.com Artificial Intelligence Most Asked Questions. Now we're going to grab the link to this Google search results page. This is where the magic happens, folks. This is where we're going to use WebPilot. We're going to start a new chat in ChatGPT, and we're going to use the WebPilot plugin. We're going to ask WebPilot to visit the link to our Google search results page. Search this up using WebPilot. And there you have it, folks. WebPilot will then fetch the content from the Google search results page, and we can analyze this content to identify the most frequently asked questions about our keyword on Quora. These questions can be great long-tail keywords for our YouTube video. All right, folks. Now that we've got our niche and our long tail and we've summarized some popular videos in that niche using Vox script, it's time to create our own YouTube script. And guess what? We're going to use ChatGPT for this. Yes, you heard it right. We're going to use an AI to create our YouTube script. Let's say you've used Vox script to summarize a popular YouTube video about AI, and you've created an outline for your own video. The summary from Vox script might look something like this, and your video outline might look something like this. Now, we're going to feed this information into ChatGPT and let it do its magic. Here's how you do it. Start a new chat in ChatGPT. Provide ChatGPT with the summary from Vox script and your video outline. For example, you could say, ChatGPT, based on this summary and my video outline, please help me draft a script for a YouTube video. ChatGPT will then use the information you provided to help you draft a script for your YouTube video. And there you have it, folks. That's how you use Vox script and ChatGPT to create a script for a YouTube video. And that's it for this part of the video. Stay tuned for the next part where we'll dive into the world of video editing with Capwing. Transition slide. Creating content with 11 Labs and Capwing. Alright, folks. Now that we've identified our niche, it's time to create some content. And guess what? We're going to use some insane tools to make this process as easy as pie. First up, we have 11 Labs. This is a crazy tool that can turn your text into speech. Yes, you heard it right. You write the script and 11 Labs will generate a voiceover for you. Here's how you do it. Screen recording of using 11 Labs. Write out the script for your video. This will be the text you input into 11 Labs to generate the voiceover. We've created our script using Vox script. Go to the 11 Labs website and navigate to their text-to-speech feature. Input your script into the text box. You can choose from a set of pre-made default voices. If you want a specific voice or language, you can specify this in the voice settings. Once you're happy with the voice and settings, generate the voiceover. This will create an audio file that you can download. Next, we have Capwing. This is a video editor that's going to make our content creation process a breeze. Here's how you use it. Screen recording of using Capwing. Go to the Capwing website and start a new project in the studio editor. Upload your video footage. This could be screen recordings, stock footage, GIFs, or any other visuals you want to include in your video. Upload the voiceover file you generated with 11 Labs. You can adjust the timing of the voiceover to match the visuals in your video. Add any additional elements like text, shapes, images, or stickers. You can also add effects like zoom, blur, or chroma key. Add subtitles to your video. You can do this manually or use Capwing's auto-generate feature to create subtitles based on your voiceover. You can customize the font, size, and color of the subtitles to match your brand. Once you're happy with your video, you can export it in 1080p quality. Capwing will process your video and provide a download link once it's ready. Alright, folks, we've reached the end of this insane journey. We've covered some crazy hacks and lazy ways to make money with AI on YouTube. We've talked about identifying profitable niches, using ChatGPT and its plugins like WebPilot and Vox script, creating YouTube scripts, and even editing videos with Capwing. Remember, the key to success on YouTube is consistency, creativity, and a willingness to learn and adapt. The tools and strategies we've discussed today are just the beginning. There's a whole world of possibilities out there, and with AI on your side, the sky's the limit. I hope this video has been helpful and has given you some ideas on how to start your own faceless YouTube channel using AI. If you've enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. And remember, if you have any questions or need further clarification on anything we've discussed, don't hesitate to drop a comment below. We're here to help you succeed. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep making money.